boat, boat, boat. Where, where, where. River, river, river.
Animals, animals, animals. Bird, bird, bird.
Exercise 1. Look, listen, and read.
Look at that! It's a big boat! Where does it go? It goes on the river. That sounds fun. Let's go! I want to see some animals. I want to see some birds.
Animals, animals.
Tree, tree, tree. Boat, boat, boat. River, river, river. Grass, grass, grass. Riverbank, riverbank, riverbank. Bamboo, bamboo, bamboo.
Fish, fish, fish.
Exercise 2. Look, listen, and write. 1,
tree,
2,
boat,
3,
river,
4,
grass,
5,
riverbank,
6,
bamboo.
Exercise 3. Point and say,
What is number 3?
It's a river.
What is number 1?
It's a tree.
What is number 2?
It's a boat.
4.
It's grass.
What is number 5?
It's a riverbank.
What is number 6?
It's bamboo.
Exercise 4. Listen and read.
After school, I go to the river. I see grass and plants. I also see some animals. I want to see a crocodile, but I usually see ducks.
Exercise 1. Reorder and write.
Boat, boat.
Birds. Birds.
Animals, animals, animals.
Exercise 2. Listen and circle.
Look at that! It's a big boat. Where does it go? It goes on the river. That sounds fun. Let's go. I want to see some animals. I want to see some birds.
Exercise 1. Complete the crossword.
Plant. Plant. Plant.
Bamboo. Bamboo. Bamboo.
Birds. Birds.
Tree. 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 Grass. 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 River. River. River.
Exercise 2. Read and write.
1. What do you want to see?
I want to see some birds.
2. What do you want to see?
I want to see some fish.
3. What do you want to see?
I want to see a turtle.
Hippo. 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 Turtle. 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 Snake. Snake. Snake.
Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodile.
Stork. Stork. Stork.
Rock. Rock. Rock.
Owl. Owl. Owl.
Plant. 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 Bird. 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 Camel. Camel. Camel.
Exercise 1. Listen and read. Point.
What was that? Look, I think that was a stork. I think it was a turtle. Was that a rock? No, it wasn't. It was a hippo.
Exercise 2. Look, ask and answer.
Was that a snake?
Yes, it was.
Was that an owl?
No, it wasn't.
Exercise 3. Complete the conversation.
1. Was that a camel?
Yes, it was.
2. Was that a crocodile?
No, it wasn't. It was a tree on the river.
Exercise 1. Listen and number.
What was that? It was a turtle. Look, I think that was a snake.
Was that a hippo?
No, it wasn't. It was a crocodile.
Exercise 2. Read and complete.
1. Was that a fish?
No, it wasn't. It was a crocodile.
2. Was that?
No, it wasn't. It was a snake.
3. Was that a hippo?
No, it wasn't. It was a turtle.
Boat. 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 River. 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 Riverbank. 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 Flamingo. Flamingo. Flamingo.
Stork. Stork. Stork.
Parrot. Parrot. Parrot.
Owl. Owl. Owl.
Turtle. Turtle. Turtle.
Fish. 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 Crocodile. Crocodile. Crocodile.
Hippo. 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 Snake. Snake. Snake.
Plant. 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 Bird. 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 Camel. 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 Animals. Animals. Exercise 1. Look, listen, and read.
We were on a boat trip yesterday. It was great fun. It was a sunny day. There were lots of birds next to the river. There were storks, parrots, and flamingos. There weren't any owls. We usually see owls at nighttime. There were turtles and fish in the river too. There was a big turtle. It was brown and green. There were lots of big fish and small fish in the water. There weren't any crocodiles.
Exercise 3. Look and write.
1. There was a turtle. 2. There were parrots. 3. There was a camel. 4. There weren't any snakes. 5. There wasn't a flamingo.
Exercise 1. Read and complete.
We were on a boat trip last weekend. There were lots of fish in the river. There weren't any turtles. There was a big hippo. It was brown. There weren't any crocodiles. There were lots of birds and animals on the river bank. There was a stork and there was a flamingo. There weren't any parrots in the tree.
Exercise 2. Read again and complete. Then say,
1. There were lots of fish. 2. There was a hippo. 3. There weren't any crocodiles. 4. There were lots of birds. 5. There was a stork. 6. There weren't any parrots.
Dolphin. 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 Whale. Whale. Whale.
Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say.
Dolphin. Whale. Cell phone. Cell phone. Cell phone.
Exercise 2. Underline PH and WH. Say the words. Then say,
Phone. 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 Wheel. Wheel. Wheel.
Photo. 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 White. 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 Elephant. 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 Whale. 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 Where. 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 When. When. When.
Exercise 3. Write and say,
1. The dolphin is looking at the phone.
The dolphin is looking at the phone.
2. The whale is looking at the wheel.
The whale is looking at the wheel.
Exercise 1. Read and complete.
1. Phone.
Phone.
2. Wheel.
Wheel.
3. Whale.
Whale.
4. Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Exercise 2. Read, write and say.
1. The dolphin is playing with a wheel.
The dolphin is playing with a wheel.
2. The whale is talking on the phone.
The whale is talking on the phone.
Tall. 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 Short. 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 Young. 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 Old. 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 Funny. 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 Kind. Kind. Kind.
Big. 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 Small. 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 Dangerous. 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 Dangerous.
Exercise 1. Look and read.
1. It's a big whale.
It's a big whale.
2. It's a very big whale.
It's a very big whale.
Exercise 2. Read, order and write, then number the pictures.
1. Some snakes are very dangerous. 2. Some birds are very small. 3. Some trees are very tall. 4. Some crocodiles are very long.
Exercise 4. Read and answer with a friend.
Think of someone who is very funny, very tall, very young, very kind, very old.
For example, my mom is very kind. My dad is very tall. My sister is very young. My grandpa is very old. My brother is very funny.
Exercise 1. Read and number.
1. It's a very big hippo. It's very big. 2. It's a very long snake. It's very long. 3. She's a very young girl. She's very young. 4. It's a very tall tree. It's very tall.
Exercise 2. Read and complete about yourself.
Now it's your turn to complete the sentences for yourself.
We have talked about different people and described what they are like. Next we will talk about habitats in the world.
Sunny. 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 Cloudy. 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 Rainy. 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 Windy. 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 Hot. 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 Cold. 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 Shark, 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 shark. Dolphin, dolphin. Whale. Grassland, grassland. Desert, desert.
Sea, 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 sea.
Elephant, elephant, elephant. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe.
Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile. Monitor lizard, monitor lizard, monitor lizard. Animals, animals.
Tree, tree, tree.
Plant, 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 plant. Bird, 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 bird.
Snake, snake, snake. Insect, turtle, parrot,
Fish, 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 fish. Fish, 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 fish,
hippo, hippo. Rainforest, 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 rainforest. Wetland, 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 wetland. Polar habitat, polar habitat, polar habitat. Panda, panda, panda. Penguin, penguin, penguin. Camel, 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 camel.
Kingfisher, 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 kingfisher.
Exercise 1. Listen and read. Number the pictures.
There are lots of habitats in the world. They are different, but they are homes for many kinds of animals and birds.
1. The seas and oceans cover 71% of the earth. They have salt water. They are homes for very big animals. There are whales, sharks, and dolphins. There are lots of very small fish too.
2. In the rainforest, there are lots of trees and other plants. It is often rainy and hot. Plants can grow very tall. Monkeys live in the trees. There are lots of birds and insects.
3. In the desert, it is hot. There isn't a lot of rain. Some animals live there. Camels don't need to drink water every day. There are birds and snakes. Some snakes are the same color as the sand.
4. Tundra is a cold, dry habitat. There is snow and ice. Penguins and polar bears live in the Antarctic tundra.
5. There are rivers in a lot of countries in the world. They have fresh water. Lots of animals live in rivers. There are lots of birds, fish, and other animals. This bird is a kingfisher.
Exercise 1. Look, find and write.
Penguin, penguin, penguin.
2. Snake. 3. Dolphin. 4. Whale. 5. Monkey. 6. Shark.
Exercise 2. Read and write the animals. Can you find more animals for each habitat?
Oceans.
Shark.
Rivers.
Kingfisher.
Desert.
Camel.
Tundra.
Penguin.
Exercise 3. Match the weather to 3 of the habitats in Exercise 2.
Hot and dry.
Desert.
Cold and dry.
Tundra.
Hot and rainy.
Rainforest.
Exercise 1. Look, find and write.
Desert. 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 Rainforest. Rainforest. Rainforest.
Ocean. 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 Tundra. Tundra. Tundra.
River. River. River.
Exercise 2. Read and complete.
Tundra. Desert. Birds. Cold. Dry. Trees. Whales. Rivers. Oceans.
1. In the rainforest there are lots of trees, plants and animals. 2. There are rivers in every country. Fish live here. Animals and birds live near them. 3. The tundra is very cold and dry. Polar bears live here. 4. In the desert. It is very hot and dry. Some snakes live here. 5. Dolphins, whales and sharks live in the seas and oceans. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.